Hello, Tappy.
Hello, Teacher Jeffrey.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Very good. Where do you like to visit?
I like to visit the zoo.
Good. And what animals can you see at the zoo?
At the zoo I can see a tiger, lion, penguin, bat, snake, elephant, and giraffe.
Very good. Which zoo animal is your favorite?
My favorite animal at the zoo is tiger.
Your favorite zoo animal is the tiger.
Yes.
Good. What can you see at the aquarium?
I can see at the aquarium is seal, penguin, pufferfish, starfish, ochre, shark, and dolphin.
Very good. Which aquarium animal is your favorite?
My favorite aquarium animal is ochre.
Oh, it's the orca. Very good. Now, what animals can you see at the farm?
At the farm, I can see a horse,
A horse?
sheep, goat, rooster, chicken, and duck.
Good. Which farm animal is your favorite?
My favorite at the farm is horse.
The horse. Good. And one more question, Tappy. What animals can you see in the forest?
And the forest, I can see a fox, raccoon, skunk, bear, snake, and deer.
Very good. Which forest animal is your favorite?
My favorite is the forest animal is deer.
The deer? Very good. And Tappy, what hobby do you like? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing football.
Playing football. Good job, buddy. High five. Very good.